What's up, everybody? My name is Patrick. Today we're going to be but making a video about something over here. And it's the bin lorry set. This truck has never had a video on it before, ever. And I'm here to open it. And although it's my little brother's, trying to tell him. Although he doesn't even have a YouTube channel. Anyway. From B&M, it's like £12.99 or £13. I do not know how much that would be in American dollars because I'm not American. Hey, how the heck do I open this thing? Wait a minute, I found out the way. It's just here. Boom. Let's open it up. First time ever open this thing. It's quite brand new. Oh god, why did they put tape on here? Goofy design. Better. Finally open it. Oh, truck. It is amazing. Let's start with the bins. First of all, the green bin. It's a wheelie bin. Wheels. Yeah, it is realistic. It is actually it opens the whole way. It's kitchen waste. Just what you want. It's a garbage bin. It's realistic to the ones I have in my area. Suffolk. I'm not in Suffolk right now, I think. I'm in Cambridgeshire. I'm not telling you where. Oh, I already did it in my other channel. Anyway, this is the kitchen waste bin. Put it back in the... Okay, no. Now the next bin. Hazardous waste. Same bin. It's cool looking. Has wheels. It's a Suffolk design. It's the West Suffolk design. Hazardous waste. Bin, 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 bin. Guys, these are BTS pieces. How? Sorry. Now this is the other waste, as known as general waste, I guess. Same bin, just different colour. Also wheelie bin. The recyclable waste, which is actually cool. I actually appreciate this one. Which is recyclable stuff. Also another wheelie bin. Just put them next to each other. Finally, we have tools. It is another one of those tools that you can build. So design your own bin lorry. I'll look at that box at the end of the video if that's alright. Guys, please. Okay, just take that. Take that off. Oh, I know what this is. It's all one of those building toys, and you would get them as a kid. Well, I never had one of them, because it's actually my first experience with one. So you can, for example, just put it in there. You would just easily shove it in there. Screw. It's fun. I'll do it in a video, do not worry. Just a little bit annoying. Oh, I can do this. So this is weird. Let's put it into the hazardous waste bin. Because, you know, bin is full. Now the garbage truck, which is giant. Jeez, it also comes with a bin. It's you can't take it off. Can the thing open? No, you can't open the bin. Wait, you can open this bit up. It does not go up. Okay, that is just sad. I just can do that. Oh, it's one of these. Wait. There's screws here. But first, let's look at the bin lorry itself. Oh, it just sucks that I can't take... Oh, wait, can you, though? I'm not trying to break it. I'm just trying to crack it. I'm not breaking. I'm just trying to find if you can take the bin off. You can't. That's so sad, but... Right, let's get this thing out. And that's not for the screws. Here it is. Yep. Let's get this one. Nope, this one. Not that way. Until I just broke it. hope it doesn't just fall apart. Right, so I got the screw. Oh, we can build it. That is awesome. I've got one of the screws. Hazardous waste bin. This is actually epic. I now can take this off. I'll make a whole video on it tomorrow, actually, don't worry guys. I might upload early for you Americans since I am in Britain right now. Because that's where I live. Right, now get the other screw. Close off the bin. Put that on. Done. What happens if I take this thing off? Let's see. Oh, this one's kind of, since it's the first time I've taken it off. Let's get that thing off. Probably, oh, come on, get off there. So I'm supposed to take it off. Oh, is it just for design, I guess? That's cool anyway, actually. Recyclable truck. It's weird because oh, is this supposed to do that? I guess it's supposed to be like that. A bin. Do it. Oh, this is awesome so far. As I was saying, this is a pretty cool truck though. Like, you can't actually get the bin off, which kind of sucks. Because imagine you could, I think you can, yeah, you can open it. It's just preventing you because of the, so it would technically, boom, it'll do that. Obviously the thing's not open. So let's actually disassemble this, get it out of the bin. Get this, start doing the screws first. Well, not that way. Whoa, that was very rough. It's down there. Come on. Not that. No, get out. Thank you. Another, oh, that's gonna suck. Maybe put this one, that goes in here. Put this one in the hazardous waste. I think it's waste. Hazardous waste, yeah. That is very hazardous. Oh, get out of here. Come on. Go into the bin. And out. There's more things I need to disassemble. Actually, yeah, before that, yep, this is how it looks. It says Superpower Truck on there. Superpower Truck, and on here it says High Speed Truck with a recycling table. Get that thing there. We've got more things to disassemble. This is actually very interesting and very hard. Let's put that there. There, and boom! That is how it looks like. That is actually how it looks like. What about this bit? City truck. Yep, that's what all you can disassemble. So put that back in. Put them both in. Do that. Secure it so it doesn't break. This this is actually a very cool idea, but there's one problem. What if you lose the parts for it? Not gonna end well, is it? Right, let's reach into the bin. Wow. This is then one for this one, I guess. So close the bin. I'm so sorry they can barely see me. It's just how it is. No, that. Open the bin, get the other bits out. Get that. This isn't even a part. You use this thing. Ugh. Wait. How do I get this thing off then? Yeah, how do you get it off? Do you just screw it off or something? Oh, you just pull it off, right? Or you just don't. Right. Secure that. Now it won't fall off. Wait a minute. As for this truck, if you just attempt to take it off, you can't. Well, you can actually, yeah. Oh, how do I? Anyway, thanks for watching. This is the... Actually, no, I forgot to talk about the box. Get that to the side. Apart from that, so it says, create your... Build your own bin lorry. Contains accessories and tools. 12 for £20. Obviously, that's a sticker. £12.99, which is £13. That's a sticker. 3+ years. No sticker. Build your own bin lorry. So some pictures of the truck. And then at the back it says build your own bin lorry as the same. It contains accessories and tools. And that's over there. It says build your own bin lorry. It says build your own bin lorry here. It is awesome. And I also have this little part here that I don't know how to put on. Guess I just do that. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye!